Logo, LG Life's Good.
Welcome to the LG Customer Support Channel. This short video will provide you with some helpful tips for cooking with your LG infrared grill broiler. Your LG infrared grill broiler has 3 settings: high, medium, and low, to offer you the greatest flexibility in how you prepare your foods. To cycle through the different broil settings, simply press the speed broil button once for high, again for medium, and once more for low. The high setting is best used for steaks, chops, and any other items in which you want to obtain a deep, flavorful sear.
Cooked pork chops sizzling in oven on top rack.
The medium setting is preferable for fish and thicker cuts of meat that you would like to cook medium well or well done. When choosing cookware for broiling your food, all broiling for the high and medium settings should be done on a pan specifically designed for broiling that is cool and completely clean before cooking. A broiling pan is not necessary for the low setting, but is still recommended when possible.
2 pieces of raw fish on broiler rack.
For optimal results, food should be centered on the broiler pan as best as possible. When placing the pan in the oven for cooking, place the pan directly underneath the broiler.
2 pieces of raw meat on broiler rack in oven.
Due to the intense heat of this broiler, you may experience moderate smoke during normal broiler operation. This smoke is a natural byproduct of searing food and should not cause you to worry.
Logo, LG Life's Good.